Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. As testers, we tend to be attracted by whatever new tool comes out. I think it's fairly natural. I mean, I love playing around with new automation frameworks, new tool sets, trying new stuff out. This is an industry where we have to be always learning, and that's great. But a lot of the time we tend to think, and it's quite natural, we tend to think that if we adopt this fancy new shiny tool, it's going to save us a whole lot of effort. We're going to be able to do things hundreds of times faster. And marketing folk take advantage of that. They try and sell you solutions that will allow you to go 10 times faster and so forth. The thing is, it's rubbish, because the biggest factor that will make you go faster is not which tool you use. That might have a marginal effect in some cases, and that's fine. But just changing a tool, going from tool A to tool B, or changing your automation framework, that's not the biggest leverage point you can have. If you want the biggest leverage point you can have to enable your team to go faster and you to perform better as a test automation engineer, that's the biggest tool you can use. You already have. It's your brain. You can use your brain to learn how to apply engineering skills better, how to understand the domain concepts better, how to embrace your requirements, how to understand what the customer really needs, express those in an executable format so that you get tighter feedback loops and faster delivery. That's where you get much more leverage than picking tool A or tool B, which, again, then in some cases that will give you a bit of an advantage, a bit of an accelerator. But if you don't know all these other things, if you don't have the solid engineering skills, if you don't build your automation framework on a solid foundation, then that'll just waste your time, and changing tools will just make you go slower. So, in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is that new tools are great. Keep looking for them. Keep an eye out on what exists, but don't go thinking that it will replace the need to understand the domain, to use proper engineering skills, and to study and explore and build up your fundamentals. Okay, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for listening.